1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On day number 1, God made light. He made the day and he made the night. On day number 2, God made the sky. It's big and blue and way up high. Whoa. Whoa. On day number 3, God made the sea. He made the land, every plant and tree. On day number 4, God made the stars. He put the sun in the sky, super duper far. Whoa. Whoa. God made you and God made me. He made everyone and everything we see. He made the earth and he made the heavens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On day number 5, God made birds and fish, dolphins and whales and things that go squish. On day number 6, God made animals and bugs, foxes and cubs, all for us to hug. Whoa. Whoa. On day number 6, God also made man. He said it was good and part of his plan. On day number 7, God stopped to rest. He saw what he made, it was his best. Whoa. Whoa. God made you and God made me. He made everyone and everything we see. He made the earth and he made the heavens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. God made you and God made me. He made everyone and everything we see. He made the earth and he made the heavens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good morning, kids! Are you ready for another story? Na isa na naman sa mga ginawa ng Diyos para sa atin. This story is about God's creation. Tara, pakinggan natin. Our story for today is about the days of creation. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty. The darkness covered the deep waters, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the surface of the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw that the light was good. Then he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness night. And evening passed, and morning came, marking the first day. Then God said, "I will divide the waters." He separated the waters in the clouds above from the waters in the ocean below. He called the space between them sky. This was the end of the second day. On the next day, God said, "Let there be a space between the waters into one place, so dry ground may appear." And that is what happened. God called the dry ground land, and water seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land sprout with vegetation, every sort of seed-bearing plant, and trees that grow seeding-bearing fruits. These seeds will then produce the kinds of plants and trees from which they came." And that it was happened. This was the end of the third day. Then God said, "Let the lights appear in the sky to separate the day from the night. Let them signs to mark the seasons, days, and years. Let these lights in the sky shine down on the earth." And that is what happened. God made two great lights, The larger one to govern the day, and that is the sun, and the smaller one to govern the night, and that is the moon. He also made the stars. God set these lights in the sky to light the earth, to govern the day and night, and to separate the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. And evening passed, and morning came, marking the fourth day. Then God said, "Let the waters swarm with fish and other life. Let the skies be filled with birds of every kind." So God created sea creatures and every living thing that scurries and swarms in the water, and every sort of bird, each producing offspring of the same kind. And God saw it. It was good. Then God blessed them. "Be fruitful and multiply. Let the fish fill the seas, and let the birds multiply on the earth." And evening passed, and morning came, marking the fifth day. Then God said, "Let the earth produce every sort of animal, each producing offspring of the same kind, livestock, small animals that scurry along the ground, and wild animals." And that is what happened. God saw it was good. Then, on the same day, God said, "Let us make human beings in our image, to be like us. They will reign over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, the livestock, and all the wild animals on the earth, and the small animals that scurry along the ground." So God created human beings in His own image. In the image of God, He created them. Male and female, God created them. Then God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and govern it. Reign over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and all the animals that scurry along the ground." So the creation of the heavens and the earth and everything in them was completed. On the seventh day, God had finished His work of creation, and He rested from all His work. So kids, galing pala sa Lord lahat ng nakikita natin dito sa earth. Lahat pala ito ay bigay niya. Kaya, we should love and take care of it.
Yan, naka-record na tayo, ha? Okay. Okay, good morning, kids! Good morning!
Good morning, kids!
Good morning! Yan, mag-game
Good morning, teacher! Hi, teacher!
Oh,
Hello, teacher!
yes!
Ay, dalawang
Kids, Maki and Yuri, you have to listen to teacher. Okay, i-answer niyo lang yung question ni teacher. Kasi ang story natin kanina, it's about God's creation. Kaya magtatanong ako sa inyo, huhulaan nyo kung anong creation ni God ito.
Maki,
maliwanag ba?
Ang light mo.
Oh, listen na. Pag ready na kayo, Maki and Yuri, say game na! Kayo nga, game na!
Game na!
Alright, ikaw naman Yuri.
Game na!
Okay, meron akong 6 questions, ha? God's creation yon. Hulaan nyo, okay? Alright, question number 1. Creation number 1. Listen! Okay, anong God's creation kaya ito? Round siya. Round. Bilog. At color yellow. And then, siya ay, nakakasilaw. Shining kasi siya eh. Sobrang lakas ng kanyang shine. Okay, So, anong God's creation ito?
Expo. YouTube Expo. Araw.
Yay! Araw! Ang answer natin. Yes! Okay, how about you, Yuri? Anong answer mo? What's your answer, Yuri?
Yes po.
Yes po! Yay! Okay,
Yes,
God creation number 2. Okay, ano kayang God's creation ito? O ay kumakanta, singing siya, and then, yes, tapos meron siya yung mouth niya, ganun o, patulis. May beak siya. Beak ang tawag doon. Patulis yung mouth niya. Okay, and then, siya ay
Pig.
fly. Anong creation ito?
Flat.
Ha? Cat? Cat ba yun?
Anong creation yun?
Nagpa-fly?
That.
Anong
Bird.
creation ni God to? Kumakanta?
Butterfly.
Ay, butterfly?
Bird.
No? Ano answer?
Bird.
Bird!
Bird.
Yay! Ang galing! Yes! Okay. Si Maki nakadalawang answer na. Si Yuri naka one answer na. Okay. God's creation number 3. Okay. Ano kaya ang God's creation nito? Color white siya. Color white. Tapos, para siyang cotton. Nakita na kayo ng cotton? Oo. Tapos, makikita siya sa sky. Oo, dun siya. Langit. Anong God's creation yon?
Cloudy day.
Yay! Ang galing! Ang kompleto si Yuri. Cloudy day. Yay!
Cloud.
At tama
Alright, you ready to show us that to me? Yes po.
Ang galing naman. Okay, question number 4. Okay, God's creation number 4 na tayo. Okay, listen. Okay, ang color niya ay brown and green. Brown and green. And then, matakas siya. Tall. Lumalaki. Ganun. Tapos, meron siyang mga fruits.
Tree.
Okay, ano yun? Anong God's creation?
Tree.
Anong God's
Tree.
creation? Ha?
Tree.
3. Very good kayo! Woohoo!
Talo kami talo.
Yeah! Okay. Okay, God's creation number 5. Okay. Ano kayang God's creation nito? Siya ay pwedeng small, pwede ring big, or long. At siya ay nakatingin sa water. Pero siya rin ay marunong mag-swimming. Ano siya? Anong God's creation siya? Kinakain din natin siya. Ha?
Fish.
Fish! Ikaw, Yuri! Ang galing! Ang galing ng mga kids ko! Yay! Okay, last question na tayo. Yuri, humabol ka kasi 5 points na si Maki. Ikaw, 4 points. Okay? Yan, one more question. God's creation number 6. Okay, ito naman ay siya ay humihinga. Tapos, iba-iba rin yung kanyang itsura. Sila ay guwapo at maganda. Tulad ni teacher at tulad ni Maki and Yuri, mga guwapo. Okay, anong creation ni God?
Hello.
Anong creation ni God yon?
Tao.
Oh, ikaw Yuri, anong answer mo?
People.
Ha? tao or people is...
Panalo.
Yay! Alright, ang galing.
6 points na ako.
Yes, si Maki 6 points. Okay, si Yuri 5 points. Pero okay
Yes!
lang yun. Yuri, manalo ka pa rin. Nauna lang isang point si Maki. Kaya ang winner natin for our game today ay si...
Maki.
Yay! Oh, clap tayo for Maki! Woohoo! Ayan, congratulations, Maki! And thank you for joining!
I want a background.
Bye! God bless! Bye, Yuri and Maki! Thank you!
Bye po. Bye-bye. Later. Bye-bye. Later. Bye-bye, teacher. Bye-bye, teacher. Sharon.
Bye! Okay.
Leave.
Alright. Ay, nag-leave na siya. Nag-leave na siya kaagad. Joke lang yung bye-bye.